Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make classic key lime pie. The easiest pie in the world. It has a tangy, creamy filling and a crispy, buttery crust. This is one of the pies I used to make when I sold baked goods a long time ago. Also, the pie I just made for my daughter's birthday as it is her favorite. We'll need 6 ingredients. For the filling, eggs, condensed milk, and key lime juice. Real key lime juice is sold in bottles if you can't find fresh key limes. If you can't get the juice, use half fresh lime juice and half fresh lemon juice. For the crust, we need graham crackers, butter, and sugar. First, heat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. We'll be using a 9-inch pie pan. This is just a foil pan. You can use any kind of pan. Put the pan on a sheet tray, melt the butter. To grind the crackers, I use my mini chopper. You can put the crackers in a bag and use a rolling pin to crush them. A few pulses and the crackers are perfectly ground. Add the sugar and pulse to mix it in. Put the ground crackers in a bowl. Pour on the melted butter. Mix this really well, making sure the butter is coating every crumb. I use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to press the crumbs into the pan. Pour the crumbs in the middle of the pan. Spread them out so the crumbs are higher on the outside. Press the crumbs against the side of the pan with the side of the measuring cup. Use your thumb to flatten the top a little. You want the crust to stay together, and if you take a little bit of time to do this properly, the crust won't crumble when you cut slices. Flatten out the middle with the bottom of the cup and around the sides. The crust is even and holds together nicely. Bake this in the heated oven for 8 minutes or until golden. Should look like this. Cool the crust completely. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. When the oven comes to temperature, make the filling. To a bowl, add just egg yolks. Whisk that for about a minute until completely smooth. Add the condensed milk and mix well. Then pour in the lime juice. You'll notice the mixture get very thick in a few seconds. Pour immediately into the cooled pie shell. Since the filling is so thick, it won't spread much, so use a spatula to even out the top. Bake in the heated oven for 15 minutes. Take it out of the oven and place on a cooling rack. Cool the pie completely, then cover and refrigerate. This pie is served cold. When you cut a slice, make sure to cut with a sharp knife all the way down into the crust so you hear it break. Otherwise, it'll be hard to get the pie out. As with any pie, the second slice is always easier to get out than the first. You can see the crust has stayed in one piece. The egg whites that you saved can be whipped and you can make a meringue topping or top the pie with whipped cream if you like. I don't put anything on my pie because it is perfect just the way it is. By the way, I gave this pie to one of my best friends who does not like key lime pie, but is now a believer. She and her picky little one loved it, so I'm sure you will too. I do hope you guys try it out because it just can't get any easier to make a delicious pie. Subscribe and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.